Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Alvin Francis Icarian. This afternoon, I'm going to demonstrate the patient's, the back care. The indication is for the patient's comfort and relaxation, to improve the blood circulation, and to avoid the head sore. So, the first thing that we need to do is to do the 12 sequence. So, 12 sequence done. I'm going to put the patients to lateral position. So, raise the target arm. And then, just hand to the abdomen. And support the knuckle and the buttocks, sir. 1, 2, 3. Then, raise the side ribs for the same thing for the patient. And now, untie the ribbon.
Ako yung kusindi.
And then, put a towel under the back of the patient to avoid swelling of the hymen. And then, expose the back of the patients that you're going to wash or to clean. So now, get a washcloth, put lukewarm water. So, inferior, superior, long-term stroke, circular stroke, pay attention to the scapula, then the knuckle area, then you can add soap. So, inferior, superior, long-term stroke, circular stroke, pay attention to scapula, scapula, then knuckle, then rings, inferior, superior, long-term stroke, circular stroke, pay attention to scapula, then the knuckle. Now, lateral, using this towel. So now, ask the patient for the preference, lotion or oil. So sir, which one do you prefer, lotion or oil? So now get a lotion. So apply to the back of the patients that you're going to massage. So now I'm going to demonstrate the different types of stroke of massage. So first, the effleurage or the circular motion. And then next is the pressage or the knuckles or thumb. So next is the kneading. Then the next is the vibration. Then pucker to remove the excess. Then to tie the gum. Then remove the towel. And back the patients to supine position. Sir. Then fix the bed, cover the patients with a blanket. So for the documentation, write it down the date, the time, who did the procedure, the back condition of the patient, and then the patient's reaction, and then the before and after vital sign. Thank you.